How to see login activity in Instagram. In order to see that, head over right here to your profile icon, which is the left icon on your bottom panel. Now, once you're in here, click on this three line. And then from in here, you should be able to see all of the settings. Click on this account center right here. Now, this should open right here your Meta account center. If ever that it actually takes time to load, you can head over and then repeatedly just click on it until your Meta account center show up like this. Now, in order to see your login activity, you need to scroll down right here and you can see in here your password and security. Now, in here, you should be able to see in here this where you're logged in. So click on this and then you can see in here your account. So you can head over and click on that and you should be able to see in here the device type as well as the location that you have for those particular logins that you have right there. So that's how you see login activity on Instagram. Hope we helped.